ZSUS X79 VG2 Motherboard. Set kit with Intel LGA 2011. Xeon E5 2689. C2 CPU DDR3 1x16GB. 1600 MHz. ECC RAM memory NVMe M.2 SATA. The ZSUS X79 VG2 motherboard kit you're referring to includes motherboard, ZSUS X79 VG2. CPU. Intel LGA 2011 Xeon E5-2689 C2. RAM, 1x16GB DDR3 1600 MHz ECC. Additionally, the system supports NVMe M.2 for faster storage solutions. SATA for additional storage options. This setup is designed for high-performance computing and server applications. Make sure that any additional components, such as GPUs or additional storage, are compatible with the motherboard and the overall system configuration. Providing reliable memory with ECC, error-correcting code support and a powerful Xeon processor.